Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Some of you are probably getting tired or fed up with my patterns. But the other day I did a paint splatter effect using a star tool. And today I was just playing around with it and I used a polygon. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center page, and then I'm going to up this up to about whatever I want, 20, let's say. Now I'm going to take the shape tool. I'm not even going to hold down the control button because I don't care if it's perfect or not. Then I'm going to select them all and go right up here to turn them into a curve and go right here to smooth nodes. And I get that right there. I'm not really excited about it, so I'm going to bring this in a little bit, bring this out a little bit, maybe even twist them a little bit. But I thought about this would be a really good deal to make a pattern. So I brought in a square and I brought in a line to cut it in half. I take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in. And then I'll left click, right click in black just because I'm not going to cut it out. I'll go ahead and get rid of this. And then I'm going to take this paint splatter, put one there, hit the plus key, put one there, hit the plus key, put one there, hit the plus key, and maybe make one smaller. You can have them overlap and it doesn't really matter. Now I'm going to change my nudge factor on something bigger. And I'm going to grab that and move it out of the way. And I've got a group. Well, matter of fact, I'm going to weld that so those two pieces are welded. It'd be even better than grouping. Now I'm going to nudge this back. I'm going to select both objects and I'm going to go to intersect. And by doing that, I have that. What I like about this is you never know what you're going to get. So we need to Control D and duplicate that, holding down the control button, and we get that. Now I'm going to go in and weld it, and I'm going to Control D and put it up here, and I'm going to go ahead and weld that. Now to make life easy, I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. I'm going to make it 5 inches, and if I got my nudge factor, I'll set my nudge factor on 5. You really have to mirror the first one to make this look right. So I'm going to hit the plus key or Control D and do that. I mean, look at that already. I've got a little blank spot right there I don't really care for, but, and then you can hit the plus key and just do this. And I go ahead and keep welding to get rid of the lines. That way I know it's going to work. But you really know what it's going to look like when you do the next step. And you got to mirror this one so those things will be right. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus key and hit the down arrow twice. And then I'm going to weld that. And look at that pattern. I'm going to grab it, make it all yellow, take away the outline, put a black box around it, go up to object, order, back a page, and look at that. Not my favorite one yet. I like these better. They were done exactly the same way. I particularly like this one. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.